Alrighty. Greetings one and all, if this ends up being its own video, which it probably might be, so greetings one and all. Taking a hydration break. I'm actually sitting at what's going to be a future new camp, which is not named yet. I'm literally just a stone's throw from the lean-to. And the reason I'm here is because I'll probably do a 360 tour here in a moment. But make sure I'm hydrated. What was I saying? Oh, I'm only a stone's throw from the lean-to. And maybe I should just get up and show you. Or I'll turn the camera off and then chill for a bit. And then I'll bring you back and then I'll walk you around. How's that sound? It'll only be a moment. Alrighty, I probably only sat down for like a minute, but I wanted to give you guys a big 360 since daylight's wasting. So we got some nice sized trees. It's actually, if you can see, if I can turn it down, there's just a big moss covered clearing here. Whole bunch of small dead standing trees mixed in with living standing trees. So I got fuel for days. Got down tree right over there, my stool, my pack right here on the base of that tree, which is alive with some pretty significant widowmakers. This is a nice clearing. So got some new growth coming in, which I won't touch. And over there's just a bunch of fuel knocked over by the wind. Just all kinds of fuel I can use. Don't have to cut anything living down. Oops, sorry. You probably hear the ravens in the background. And we're back. 360. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Okay, so as you can see, this guy here is dead, leaning over. And I can't tell if it's stuck on this tree or it's just... Oh, it's stuck on a limb up there. So I could probably pull it down. So what I'm thinking about doing is I want to pull this down if I can. So it's connected here. Pull it down to maybe here. Just tie it off with some cordage. Throw a tarp over it. So I've got that Woodsman school tarp, and this is a nice, it's not flat area here. Of course I'll de-limb all this crap, but it's got, it's kind of leaning this way, so it's higher, a little bit higher here and it goes down. Great for a camp spot. So I want to hang my canvas tarp here and use this as the ridge pole because it's already kind of there. Everything else I'll just cut down. I hate to cut living stuff, but it'll just be in the way if I don't. And then, as I've said, there's just, all this is good burnable. In fact, all this is great tinder, or great smalls for getting the fire going. So, and I got that one nice 9x13 tarp I want to try. And I could do that here too. So, I got two different tarp outings, overnighters I can do. And I could probably put my fire right, maybe right where I'm standing, but I don't want to get it too close to the root sections. So I might do a base, but then the base will just catch fire. But maybe I'll put rocks down if I could find any. So, I don't know. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So that's at least two overnighters right there. And then, show you this else. Alrighty, so this tree here is a recent fall, and what's all up and down here is boughs everywhere. So what I kind of like to do is build a lean-to of my own somewhere over here, just so I can say, yeah, I built my own, here it is. I should make a couple good videos and then overnight with it. And then once I'm done with that, I can dismantle it and then take all those boughs and put them on top of the lean-to roof and add to the roof of the lean-to and then sleep there. So I'm looking at a plethora of video content for days, so you guys will be enjoying a lot of videos, because I've got a lot of this stuff here. This is dead. That'll make a good ridge pole. I got another one. I'm looking at 2 trees over there that's dead standing, which will make good support poles. Not to mention all the firewood everywhere. I mean, that's one nice thing about coming out versus going to a side of the road deal is, I mean, I got wood everywhere to do fires. I got wood everywhere to do shelters. So this should be a busy year for me. If I can get, as often as I can get out, there's going to be a lot of stuff I'd like to do. And I got the lean-to project, which is not going away. I've got at least two overnighters I want to do. One with the Woodsman School canvas tarp, the other with the other tarp that I've shown in my all tarps video. That's 2 overnighters. Plus a lean-to project of my either a lean-to or another type of shelter for my own, just so I could say, here's how I'm going to do it. You guys can watch and then critique and go, you should do this, 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 this. So I'm like, oh, that's a good idea. Come back out, make the changes on top of all that. Then sleeping at the lean-to. So this year could be busy for me, which is great. A lot of stuff to look forward to. There's all this down working material I can work with. So, plus I got a few ideas I'm going to do, a couple overnighters. I got the whole budget series I'm working on still, which that's going to have to be an overnighter. And yeah, man, much to do, so much to do, and not enough time to do it all. So I'm losing daylight. I guess what time it is. It's only 11:21, so I got a lot of time. I got a little earlier start today than usual. I just basically logged off everything and just got in the truck. Came straight out here. Only made one stop to get something to drink, and the rest is like I just bombed straight up here. Got the trail cam, got busy. So yeah. Don't know if I want to make a fire now though. I'm feeling really lazy. I wish I'd brought a stove because I could at least make a hot drink, but I didn't bring one thinking I was going to make fire, but I just don't want to do the work. I'm being really lazy. I admit it. Super lazy. Oh yeah, this tree too. I was just thinking this. And maybe you guys have thought this too. Maybe I could, well, you guys can't see that. If I can chunk some of this off as shingles, I could put it on top of the lean-to as well. But I got a lot of limbs everywhere, so breaking off shingle pieces might be a pain in the butt. But plus the knots might leave holes, so. But if I put it on top of the boughs, then the boughs won't blow off as easy. So we'll see. Much to do. Whew. Man.